Today I'm going to show you how to add automatic sum calculations to your tables in Confluence using the Elements Spreadsheet feature. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add up columns of numbers right inside your Confluence pages, making your work more dynamic and accurate. No more manual math and no more exporting data into other spreadsheet tools. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Confluence page where your data table lives. You'll want to get into edit mode so you can make changes. To do this, simply click the edit button near the top. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, just tap the letter E on your keyboard. Either way, your page will open up and you'll be ready to interact with your content. Now look for the table you want to add up. If you're using the Elements Spreadsheet macro, which is like a mini version of Excel but built into Confluence, you'll see your table sitting inside a gray-colored box. Hover your mouse over that box and you'll spot a pencil icon appearing in the top corner. That's your edit button for the spreadsheet. Go ahead and click that. This brings up the full spreadsheet editor where you have access to all the same functions you'd expect in a regular spreadsheet. Once inside the spreadsheet, think for a moment about where you want your total to show up. The most common place is right at the bottom of your column of numbers. Click into the cell directly underneath the last number in the column. This is where your sum will appear, just like in a traditional budget tracker or sales report. Now for the calculation itself. You've got two easy ways to do this. If you like the hands-on approach, type equals sum into the cell, just like you would in Excel or Google Sheets. Then using your mouse, click and drag to highlight the column or range of numbers you want to add up, say, from A2 down to A10. Once you've selected them, close your formula with a parenthesis. It should look like equals sum, A2, A10. This formula tells the spreadsheet to add up every number in that range for you. If you're nervous about typing formulas, here's a reassuring tip. You can't really break anything here, so give it a go. If you prefer something even quicker, look for the little sum sigma icon up in the spreadsheet toolbar. If you click this with the total cell selected, the Elements Spreadsheet will automatically generate the sum formula for you using the numbers directly above. This is handy if you're doing this for the first time, or if you're working with a big table and don't want to manually select a range. Once you've entered your formula, by either method, press the Enter key. You'll see the cell instantly update to show the total. If it's not what you expected, double-check that you selected the right range of cells or try the Sum button again. It's very forgiving, so don't worry if you need to adjust. When you're happy with your total, it's time to save your work. Click the X at the top of the spreadsheet editor, which will close the spreadsheet and take you back to your Confluence page. You're not quite done yet. Make sure you hit the Publish button on your page. This step is crucial because it makes your new calculation visible to your team and not just to you. And that's it. You've now added live sum calculations to your Confluence table using the Elements Spreadsheet macro. This little trick can seriously speed up your reporting and help keep everyone on the same page, pun intended. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Confluence and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.